Hi, welcome to the Maria Homes team. So today we have a brand new listing at 1057 Blizzard Road here in the central part of Mississauga. We're located just a few minutes away from Bristol Road and Terry Fox in the highly top-ranked Rick Hansen Public High School and only a few minutes away from the HeartlandTown Center. Now this is a very safe, quiet family neighborhood, and it's extremely rare to see a freehold townhouse that come up on the market here with no maintenance fees. It has been meticulously cared for and loved by the original owners. It's fully renovated, and we're really excited to show you what the home is like. So come inside and take a look with me.
This is a very well designed and fully renovated home with a spacious, open kitchen dining layout with high-end new LG stainless steel appliances. Its warm and inviting main level flows seamlessly into a well-manicured and completed fenced backyard with a fully equipped private deck.
So here we are in the well-manicured backyard. It is absolutely an outdoor paradise that you're going to enjoy all summer long with your friends and your family, inviting them over for your meals, just seamlessly moving here from the kitchen. And as you can see, it's a huge deck and a private fenced garden and landscaped backyard. It is really truly an outdoor paradise. So on this deck you will have a L-shaped outdoor sectional sofa with cushions and a powered awning from Canadian Shades with auto close when it's too windy. The awning covers the entire dining portion of the deck. There's also an outdoor television and a 7-piece outdoor dining set with table and 6 chairs. Also, as you can see here, there's a propane fire table.
The upper level features a spacious, inviting family room with a lot of natural sunlight and a built-in wood-burning fireplace. Included are 2 generously sized bedrooms with their own full bathroom, all renovated, and a large master bedroom with a walk-in closet and ensuite bath. This expansive private upper level together with the main floor offers a total of 1,620 square feet of living space. This beautifully kept townhouse shines with pride of ownership with only one homeowner.